Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? We're doing just fantastic here at Drone Command Live. It is very live, and I want to give my all my thanks to and the information that Diego and Damon and Gina and Vicky and all the people involved in Drone Command that are just teaching us everything that we need to do to to get things together and to make a better part of us and our lives and it's just amazing. It's amazing how this started and how it's going and I just don't want it to end and we're pretty excited. I'm pretty excited, but I definitely highly recommend uh, that you attend Drone Command Live. Uh, their seminars, actually their network. Joining their network I'm looking into that also about joining the Sky Network and all the videos, all the material that they have. It's just amazing. So I highly recommend it to all of you and just continue to fly high.